bears? Yes? Are you gonna get it for Auntie?
Go get the stool. Where's the stool?
Where's the stool?
Bring your chair over there.
Okay. It's done. It's done.
Okay, careful. Thank you. What's that? What you got?
This.
Okay, what's that? Gummy bears?
It's this.
Okay, for who?
For Jake.